TokenTap Tutorials, Awarding Goal Achievements. This tutorial shows how to grant awards for goal achievements. Awards can be granted in the Goals area, the Students area, and on the Student profile. We will mark various goals as being achieved by Johnny Bravo in each of these locations. Let's get started in the Goals area. There are trophy buttons to grant an award for each goal. If you do not see them, click the Set View button. Turn on the Grant Award button for the first column of the goals grid. Then apply changes. Grant the award for the one-day on-time attendance goal to Johnny Bravo by clicking the appropriate trophy button. Then select the correct student, Johnny Bravo in this case. Confirm you've selected the correct student and goal. And click OK to grant the award. A notification appears confirming the award was granted. Just as with token deposits, if Johnny, or any of his followers, have a verified email address and they are within their notification limits, they will be sent a notification about the award. Next, we will head over to the Students area. If you do not see the Grant Award trophy buttons, turn them on with the Set View button. Click the Grant Award button for the correct student. Select the goal that was achieved. Confirm you've selected the correct student and achieved goal. Then click OK. Again, a notification appears to confirm the award was granted. Now we will go to Johnny's profile and grant an award there. Click on the Goals tab if it is not already up front. Click the Grant Award button for the goal that was achieved. Verify the correct student and goal are selected and click OK. Click OK for the award granted notification. Thank you for watching the Awarding Goal Achievements tutorial.